Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset the JBL Xtreme 2, how to reset the JBL Xtreme 3 and how to reset the new JBL Xtreme 4. For this all you need to do is just power on the speakers. I already reset them to make sure that this works. So all of these speakers, they are now turned on, and all of these speakers, because they are already resetted, entered pairing mode. So what you need to do is just press on the volume plus button and the play button for 5 seconds. First will be the plus button. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now the JBL Xtreme 3, the same thing, plus and play button for about 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5, and now the new JBL Xtreme 4, the plus and the play button. 2, 3, 4, 5. In this moment all the speakers are resetted, all the connection with the speakers are lost. So you need to go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and after you power them all on, you will see that so you need to you need to just cancel the connection with them, and then on the available devices just tap on the Xtreme 4, tap on the Xtreme 2, okay, tap on the Xtreme 2, okay, and tap to the Xtreme 3. In this moment all of these speakers are resetted and all of these speakers are connected to the phone. Why you need to do this? Because maybe you have some issues with the sound, maybe they don't want to connect to your phone, or maybe you just want to make a new phone connection and doesn't work. So this is very easy, just press on the plus button and then on the play button for about 5 seconds. This should work to most of the JBL speakers. So hope this works for you, and feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel. Cheers!